Manufacturers today are increasing customization of their products to meet market demand. This makes quality inspections difficult, as existing quality automation technologies are not able to keep up with the rate of change in production. Operator intervention is required to weed out false detections to prevent defective products from being shipped to the customer. Designed for high production variability manufacturing environments, Relimetrics AI-based machine vision software ReliVision takes quality automation to a new level, enabling zero-defect manufacturing by providing 99.9% plus accuracy of anomaly detection and insights on production process quality. ReliVision can be integrated with any camera hardware and process any type of image data. It is easy to configure and use with the simple point-and-click interface, making it easy for quality operators to rapidly implement quality automation. ReliVision provides well-defined deep learning recipes, enabling anyone to train deep learning models without AI expertise. It is self-implementable with a wide library of industrial protocols for quick integration with shop floor systems. ReliVision is rapidly scalable within a manufacturer's ecosystem. Trained models and configurations are connected and shareable across plants. Certified by Intel and NVIDIA, ReliVision has been implemented at scale in top manufacturers across the industry. On average, ReliVision provides $300,000 to $700,000 of savings per manufacturing line per year by enabling early detection of defects and reducing scrap and rework. To learn more about ReliVision and begin your digitization journey, contact info@relimetrics.com.